Hello everyone, welcome to KonnecttzIT tutorials. In this video, we are going to explain how Typeform, ValidTo and Google Sheets are going to integrate. And before starting a workflow, you need to authorize the applications whatever we need. We need Typeform, ValidTo and Google Sheets. Typeform and Google Sheet are the auth-based authorization. You need to search those applications in apps page. Click on the Typeform. Click on add account. Click on accept. Next, click on ValidTo. Click on add account. And ValidTo needs API key to integrate. This API key we are getting in ValidTo account under API. Click on new API key and give the API name. Click on create. Copy this API key. Come back to KonnecttzIT. Paste here and click on S and continue. Next comes to Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets. Click on add account. Select your particular account and click on continue. This is how you need to authorize the applications. After authentication is completed, just click on create Konnectz. Give the workflow name. Search for Typeform and just drag and drop Typeform. Select the particular account. Choose the trigger as new entry and choose your workspace. And now you can choose your form. Yes, I'm selecting feedback. Now come back to Typeform and copy the link and open in a new tab. Fill the form. Yes, come back to KonnecttzIT and click on test and review. Successfully new entry on Typeform. Next, select ValidTo. Just drag and drop ValidTo. Choose your particular account and choose the action, that is email verification. Join the nodes Typeform to ValidTo. I am mapping email field from Typeform to ValidTo and hit on test and review. Yes, the data sent to ValidTo. Next, select Google Sheet. Just drag and drop Google Sheet. Select your particular account and choose the action, that is create spreadsheet row. Select your spreadsheet and choose the sheet. Now join the field from ValidTo to Google Sheet. I'm mapping email ID and now I'm hitting on test and review. Come back to Google Sheets, your particular Google Sheet, and check whether the data is captured. Yes, the data is captured. Come back to KonnecttzIT and click on publish. Click on OK. So to double check whether the flow is working or not, go back to your Typeform and copy the link again and paste it in a new tab. Go to your Google Sheet. Yes, the data is captured. Second time. To check whether the wrong email ID also validate in ValidTo or not, just fill the form with a wrong email address. Means that email address will not exist. I'm entering a wrong email address. Click on OK. Enter the phone number. Click on submit and go back to a Google Sheet. Refresh. Check whether the data is captured or not. As the data is not captured. So this is how we need to integrate Typeform, ValidTo, and Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.